Incremental things. Did you know that in Supermemo there's a feature called default element? I'm not saying about this, the root, in your collection. So you can make any element on your collection to be the default. What means to be the default? Is that when you open that collection, you will see that element, and doesn't have to be the root. So let's say that I have an outline. Look how many things I have here. So let's say that I want to open one link a day, something like that, just for exploring, not necessarily to import that. I want the outline of psychology to be the default. So when I open this collection, or Supermemo, in case I only have one single collection, I go here. So you can go to the toolkit options, access, and it says default element. By default is the last visited. So you end up to the same point you were last time you used Supermemo. Easy, right? But you can override that. So you click this button, and now you navigate to the knowledge tree and select the element you want. Do you see there's a square on my mouse, my cursor? So I select psychology, I press enter, and default element, it's this one, topic 226,357, outline of psychology. That means that even if I am the root, like this, and now I just close Supermemo, then I open it again, I'm in outline of psychology. Now it's my default element in that collection. So if I want, every day, I go here, let me open that. Criminal, look at the list, it's crazy. So I can browse this incrementally. And once I'm done, it's as easy as going back to Toolkit, Options, and I want to go back to my default element. But hey, I don't want the root per se, right? Now it's the root. Yeah, I want the last visited. How do I input the last visited once again? Easy. Click, and instead of selecting something on the knowledge tree, press escape to cancel. And now you have the last visited once again. So you say visit like, I don't know, symbol, let's say, and I open a different collection, let's say basic French. I open it again, the learning. I am on the same place, symbol. I'm not on the root element or the psychology that I had before. It's a nice touch, and remember that this is a collection setting. So I can actually have this, let's say in my main collection, the last visited, but perhaps on my collection that I use for incremental writing, I want one particular case. Or I have language learning and as well. I want, hey, no. Every time that I go to that collection, go to that particular element. And that element could be a dashboard, if you will. There will be another video how you can do some sort of a dashboard within an element of some sort for your convenience. But this escapes this feature. Hope this has been useful, and see you incrementally.